Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by bringing your raw files into an editor and immediately duplicating the audio track so you have a backup. Once done, isolate a short section that clearly shows the background noise alone and mark it as your noise profile. Make sure to use a lossless or high bitrate file to preserve audio detail. This helps noise reduction work effectively. You're avoiding recompression artifacts and preparing the exact sample the tool will analyze for reduction. Next, capture a noise profile from that silent section you marked and apply the noise reduction effect using it. You want moderate reduction. Too strong creates artifacts, too light leaves noise. Adjust the threshold and reduction amount while looping a spoken section. After initial reduction, use spectral editing or an EQ to notch specific frequency peaks like hum at 50/60 Hz or sibilance around high mids. If necessary, apply a gentle gate for pauses and smooth transitions to avoid pumping. To finish, render a short test clip and listen on headphones and speakers to confirm clarity and natural tone. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, back off the reduction amount and try multiband or manual spectral repair focused on problem bands. You can also blend a small amount of the original audio under the process track to restore presence. Make sure to keep the original audio file and use crossfades where edits meet, so the final result stays seamless and free of clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.